everyone, I am here to show you how I did the wraps for the Black Friday kit. I have both parts here. I am wearing a Wendy on my head, and this kit is amazing. I was so surprised when I saw it and how fun it was to actually wrap it. I am starting with the pashmina. This is a beautiful pashmina. It is a heavier weight, but it's not as heavy as, like, let's say the Tapestry Luxe. And it's very soft. It's very movable. I just can't get over how soft it is. Like, I'm trying to think if we had a scarf that was like this weight plus this softness. I'm not quite sure, but this is amazing. And we haven't had this scarf ever before, either of these scarves ever before, as it is with all of our kits. They are exclusive. So I'm going to start with the pashmina. I have basically 2 even sides, but that really depends on how much tail you want when you wrap it through. So I am going to give a little bit more on the side that I want the tail on. So just like a little bit more. Wrong way. I want the give to be a little bit more on this way, since that's the one that's going to be going around my head. And if you don't want headaches, you can just crisscross it. So you still want enough on this side so that it does wrap around. So I'm going to take the next scarf, and this one I'm almost going to, I put it on almost like a turban, like a sash turban. So you tie it very similar to the same, and then that's where the magic happens. I take this and I fan it out, right? You just want it to fan out, and then you're going to twirl it inwards. So you're going to be going like towards your head, and you see how that little bubble starts? That's what you want. And then you give it as much poof as you want. And then you wrap it, you just tuck these in wherever you find space. And you have that nice. And so this one, I don't do it yet. We're going to do the same thing on the other side, only I'm not going to do that yet. I'm going to poof this out a little bit. I wrap the shorter side first, because you're going to tuck that in. And this side, wrap it over and pull it through here. Then we're going to take this one, fan it out, only we're going to flip it the other way. So we're going to put it away like that. The poof is there. And then here, this is what I do a little bit differently, because I want the poof in the back. I crisscross that. And then you play with your poofs. There you go. My sister has this awesome trick doing these bow wraps, and then she does pins, straight pins. And she gets the most beautiful looking, like, flowers, and she's a genius at it. So there you go. And there you have it. There's the wrap.